Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best smart wireless Wi-Fi doorbell intercom video. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The M10 Smart Wi-Fi Video Doorbell Camera by Twister.ck offers a reliable and convenient solution for home security, combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. Crafted from durable ABS material, it features a 4.3-inch IPS screen for clear visuals and an 85 degrees camera angle supported by 6 infrared lights for enhanced night vision. With a video resolution of 640 by 480, it captures clear footage day and night. Its built-in speaker and microphone provide seamless two-way audio communication, while the 2.4G Wi-Fi module ensures stable transmission over distances up to 150 meters. The doorbell is powered by an 800 milliamperes battery, offering up to 3 months of performance, and supports SD cards up to 128 gigabytes for ample storage. This wireless intercom system is easy to install and ideal for enhancing home security, even in challenging temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius.